Trying to launch EA Sports FC26 on your PlayStation 5 only to find it not working cannot be good, especially when the game refuses to start, freezes unexpectedly, or crashes before loading properly. Many players notice loading problems, connection interruptions, or the game suddenly becoming unresponsive even though other PS5 games work normally. Sometimes FC26 opens briefly and closes again without explanation. In many situations, an FC26 not working on PS5 issue can happen because of temporary software glitches, update interruptions, network communication problems, or save data conflicts. Before restarting the game repeatedly or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get FC26 working properly on the PS5 again. Restart the PS5 completely and relaunch FC26 to refresh temporary system interruptions properly. 2. Check whether FC26 and the PS5 system software both have the latest updates installed. 3. Confirm your internet connection remains stable if FC26 fails during online features or startup. 4. Close background games or apps and relaunch FC26 after giving the PS5 a brief moment to refresh. 5. Open FC26 again and confirm whether the game works smoothly on the PS5 afterward.